In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add related posts to your Wix blog. This is a fantastic way to keep your readers engaged by showing them more of your great content. Whether they're interested in similar topics or just looking for more of what you have to offer, related posts are a great feature to implement. So let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to head over to Wix.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. You'll need to have access to your site's dashboard to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, click on the Design Site option from your dashboard. This will take you to the main design area where you can make several modifications to the look and feel of your site. Next, you'll want to access your site's menu. Click on Pages and Menu. This is where all of your site's pages are managed, and it's where we need to make adjustments to display related posts. You should now see a list of all the pages you have on your site. Continue by selecting Blog Pages from the list. This will take you into your blog management area. It's where you control the layout and content of your individual blog posts and pages. After that, click on Post. Now, this could be a chance to browse through your list of posts and select one where you want to add related posts. At this point, you might see various elements on the page, like text boxes, images, and other components you've used to build your post. Look around the page for what I like to call the magic X button. It's usually positioned near the elements you wish to modify or rearrange. Clicking this button will often bring up more editing options for your post. Once you've gone through these steps, you'll now have a clear view of your blog post on the screen. This is your canvas. Take a moment to plan where you want your related post section to appear. Common choices are either the bottom of the post or along the sidebar if you're using one. Adding related posts is not just about keeping visitors on your site longer, but also improving the overall user experience. It helps guide your readers through your content, ensuring they find all the valuable information you're providing. And there you have it, a simple process to enhance your blog and keep your readers clicking through more of your great content. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.